Kitties and babies. Babies and kitties. Are you all here? No, there's one of you missing. I guess you all heard the sound of my old Honda. I got the Honda back, you guys. I'm talking about the kitties and babies. I'm calling the kitties and babies, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Let me go ahead and speak to you guys who are watching the kitties and the babies this morning. They heard the sound of the old Honda over there. Hey, okay, I got some food for you. Let me get it opened up. Let's see. Wait, behave, Aunt. Behave. All right, let's see if we can get it dispersed out here. I mixed it up for you last night, so it'll be mixed up with some bread. It'll go a little longer. For you guys. Oh yeah. Eat up, enjoy. They ain't gonna talk to y'all now, you guys. They ain't gonna talk to y'all. They gonna be focused on eating now. It is one of the babies missing. Baby! Get to the babies! Maybe I can call her. She'll come. She's probably somewhere where it's nice and warm. She don't want to come out. But anyway, hey buddy. What's up, buddy? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, head butter. Hi, head butter. Hi, auntie. Oh man. All right, you guys, so they got the tire fixed. We're gonna go and pick that up this morning. Nice clear blue skies, you guys, but it's like 40 degrees this morning, man. Once again, you guys, looks like they're out there picking the sweet potatoes, getting it done. And we have arrived, you guys. Supposed to be in the last bay down here, so let me see if I can find somebody to help me get it loaded up. Oh yeah, there that monster is. Guess I'll go ahead and get the truck pulled up there. And we are good to go, you guys. They getting on down the field. Guess we're gonna get it put on, you guys. And we got her back on. Yeah. Good to go. Yeah, I don't know if you guys remember when we were harvesting corn earlier in the year. I told you we had to harvest some corn for a neighboring farmer. Actually, they have the turf grass, but they usually harvest corn where it picks the whole ear and they sell it for deer corn. But I guess they had a surplus and they're not gonna get all of it picked that way, so Dan is nicely gonna harvest it for him. I'm pretty sure I won't be needed out here because we're not gonna be using the grain cart or anything, so just helping them get moved. You guys, I just told y'all a lie. I said Dan don't need my help. I forgot that we have to pick the corn that I sprayed that had the morning glories growing up it. I'm talking about our corn that had the morning glory. So I'm gonna have to follow Dan around to those different spots with the little Chevrolet truck so that we can get that picked before he picks that for them. Okay, so I got to get this unwrapped and go and check the oil in the truck and get everything situated. Oh man, got some old corn in there I've got to get out, you guys. So I got pretty much all of it out. It was still sort of dry. Dan's leaving with the combine there to the next little piece of I guess field that has morning glories in it, and he had pulled the truck out here so he can go ahead and dump in it just a little bit. So I guess we'll get that unloaded before we go to the next field. All right, let's see what this looks like, you guys. I'm not using the auger that we use to unload the hopper bottoms with. Just gonna unload from here since it's not much. Let's turn this on. way over yonder, finishing up the little piece over there. Guess he's gonna unload it down here. Oh, there's a little lizard in there. Poor fella. Okay, I'm out. Crossing the ditch Big Willie style there. And the last of it is over in the corner, the far corner of this field here with these power lines in it. I'm gonna take this time and eat my chicken salad. And he's made it to the field. Let us carry on. That's the advantage of using a phone. You can zoom in. You guys, I can't help but notice there's 2 ears of corn, looks like, and it's windy out here, on this corn plant here, this volunteer corn plant. Look at this. Of course, as I've told you guys a bunch of times, this corn is going to die because of the cold weather, so it's not going to make another crop. See all the silk there? It's turning brown as if it's actually making something, but there's there's a little slight piece of a kernel there. It's not gonna do anything, but that would be a nice eared corn if it did fill out. Oh man. But anyway, that was interesting. That was interesting. I'm going back to the truck now because I'll be eating a whole bunch of corn dust out here. Harvesting morning glory corn. That wind ain't playing. This definitely would not have been a good day to try and wash the peanut pickers because it's chilly and windy. That don't mix. Oh man, it's trying to blow the door open and make me lose my stabilization with the phone. Oh, see? He's about to be through there. I doubt I'll be able to stand out here long because the wind gonna blow the corn husk over in my face again. But this will be the last of it. I do believe. Then he'll go and harvest that for them. Yep, it's blowing it right towards me. I'm out. And he's off. And so are we. Let's take a peek, see how much is in here. Okay. Like I said, not a whole lot, not a whole lot. That's definitely over 3/4 of a truckload though. Gotta grab a shovel and get the corners cleaned out in here. All right, went and got me a shovel. Let's get it cleaned out, you guys. Ugh. One hand in it, one hand in it, one hand in it. Ah. Okay, okay. I think I need to turn the auger on now. All right, you guys, that'll do. That will do. Got this pulled out of the way. Now we gotta try and get as much corn out of here as possible and get this wrapped back up, you guys. I said, you know what, you guys? Since the next thing that's gonna have to go in this pit is soybeans, I might as well use the vacuum cleaner to get it as clean as possible. Do it just like I did the grain drill when I was vacuuming the soybeans out of there. So let's go. And you guys, I think that'll do it. That we'll do it. I use that old tobacco rod there to break it loose in there, so we got it pretty clean, you guys. We got it pretty clean. And the pit has been restored to its original state. Well, actually better because we cleaned it out. On to the next project. Guess we got to get this vacuum cleaner cleaned out, dumped out. Set that off there. And oh, we sucked up a glove. I don't remember that. Put this out here for the deer, the raccoons, and whatever else wants to eat it. Squirrels, whatever. Y'all enjoy. All right, you guys, so next up is doing some disking. Got to disc the peanut field so that the peanut bushes out there can be deteriorating over the winter. Dan actually started some Friday. He did one field, but before we head to the field, we need to check the air pressure in the tires on the disc, and of course check the oil. Ooh wee, look at the dirty windows. My. We got to clean them up, you guys. So most of them have been close to 35, you guys. So I'm putting 35 in all of them. We got 2, 4, 6. We got 8 tires that we got to check. I'm just about done. Well, that's a done deal. And Dan is pulled up while I'm fueling up. I guess she finished picking that corn already. So Dan scooped me up so we can get Danny's truck moved back to the shop. Of course, Danny had to come back and get the Freightliner and haul that to the mill, but it has all been harvested. You guys, it's time to take lunch. Hey, Kitty, you rolling over in the sand? Huh? You doing a rollover trick for him? Kitty, I know you ain't gonna let me touch you. You're gonna take off running, ain't you? See? Oh, scary, but I'm about to take lunch, you guys. You all dusty now? Kitty. Got Danny dropped off at the truck there. Now I'll go disc. Alright, you guys, we finally headed to go disc some now. That's the field Dan disced Thursday. Oh, there's a bad glare over there. But anyway, yeah, we're finally heading to go disc some, you guys. And we have arrived at the first field we're gonna get disced. I'm gonna disc it at an angle, of course. That way when we come back to cultivate it, we can cultivate it straight. And that'll help level it more better. Oh, let's see, what angle do I want to start at? I don't want to get too sharp of an angle. I'm thinking maybe about like that wouldn't be too bad. And of course we gotta get the disc unfolded. It's a 27-foot disc. I think he got the hydraulic speed on pretty slow. I'm gonna speed it up. So he said he was in like 11th gear. So that should be about 6 miles an hour. Yep, that's about 6.3 miles an hour. And it is rather dusty, you guys. I believe I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the smallest side first. So I'm gonna turn this way. And I guess we'll hit this in over here along the woods. I'm just gonna make one pass because I brought it real close to the woods, so I'm not gonna put 2 in-row passes on it. it got soft right there. Man, this disc ain't playing cutting it up. And we're back on this side. Enjoy them different views? Pretty cool. I enjoyed it. Anyway, we doing these ends here and we'll be done with this field. You guys, so as you can see, I've been doing some disking. It's done got dark on us. It's what, about 5:46 right now? Yeah, I know we lost an hour worth of daylight, but anyway, now I was thinking back earlier to how I said when we were covering up the pit that once we got it cleaned up, we had restored it back to its original state. When I had said that earlier, I don't know, I heard the Spirit of the Lord speak restoration. I don't know if some of you are going through in your marriage or whatever kind of relationship it might be, that there's been some brokenness, there's been some hurt, some pain. You've been in a place where it just seems like all hope is lost. Well, the Spirit of the Lord is speaking restoration. But what you have to do is you have to surrender the hurt, the pain, the frustration, the stress that you've been going through, the bitterness, whatever it is, you've got to surrender it to the Lord and allow Him to heal you so that that restoration can take place, and so that whatever relationship it is that you're in that's going through right now, that it can be restored. It can be restored back to a good and healthy relationship. So I just wanted to speak that word to somebody. Hope is not lost. And truly God wants that relationship to work. Now understand this, there's some of you who are listening right now and you're in a relationship that it's not working because it's not supposed to work. But the thing is, you've got to know that. I'm not speaking to someone and telling you, or I'm not speaking to everyone and saying that the relationship that you're in that is supposed to work. But as I'm speaking to you, you'll know the place that you're in, because what I'm speaking to you is confirmation. It's not something new. So as you hear from the Lord yourself, you'll know what you need to do. So, hey, I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching on today. There's more to come as always. We're always busy on the farm, you guys. Always, always. But anyway, you guys stay blessed. You guys keep encouraged. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.